Hi, it's Kathy, Crafty Chica. Today we are making use of all our excess beads and charms to make tree jewelry. These are so beautiful and so relaxing to make. You're going to start with some kind of anchor piece. I use these ceramic ornaments that I designed. They're from the Crafty Chica pottery line, but today we're using them to make these garden charms, tree jewelry, whatever you want to call it. And then I used 18 gauge wire to create a little hanging situation at the top of the ornament. I decided not to use twine because I really wanted it to withstand the natural elements of it being outside. So after that, go through and find some chain. If you don't have any necklace chain, you could go to a thrift store and buy a necklace from there, and you can use that. The more interesting, the better. After that, go through your charms and just start connecting them to create a long strand, just like if you were making a mobile, except in this case, it's going to be just one piece that we hang from branches on the tree, or maybe you could even use it on a plant stake to insert inside of soil in a potted plant. Okay, so you're going to just take piece by piece. Some of these beads, I had to use the wire and create a loop around them. So I'm using round nose pliers, needle nose flat pliers, and wire nippers. And I'm using 18 gauge wire. You can even use a little bit smaller gauge if you need to go through the beads and create a wire wrapped loop around each one so it will be nice and secure. And then you can use jump rings. I use 10 millimeter size jump rings, and you want to open the jump rings from forward to back, insert your charm, and then close it back up, back to front. And then decide how long you want your tree jewelry strand to be. Mine measured about 12 to 14 inches. And as you're adding the charms to the loops on the chain, some of them you can use to break up the chain. Other ones you can simply add it to the loop using the jump rings. And I just went through and added one by one. Just keep looking at it, keeping in mind that it's going to twirl around. So don't feel like everything has to face a certain way. You want it to look good from every angle. And except for the little bird charm, of course, that's if I had known I was gonna use it for this, I would have painted both sides of it, but you know what? It still turned out really good. This is from an old necklace. Like any big pieces that you have, I would definitely try to keep with metal because it will withstand the elements. And when you're done, this is what it looks like. I did use twine to tie it to the tree branch, so I might switch that out for wire, but I just like the red and white twine on there. And they came out so cute. I used old earrings, necklace pieces, charms, and beads. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you like this project, and check out craftychica.com for even more crafty ideas. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.